Welcome back. We got Uli Broedl, Vice President of Medical and Regulatory Affairs for BI Canada. Uli, welcome to the show.
Thanks so much. It's my pleasure to be here.
We love having you here. We met last year at the same event.
Absolutely.
I think at Columbia University, if I remember correctly.
Exactly. It was a wonderful event last year.
Yep. I think we even had a beer afterwards.
Very true.
And hopefully we'll have another one this year. But right now, the important thing is what's going on with blockchain and the thought leadership. You're going to be on a panel coming up in a little bit. Tell us a bit about the panel. What can we expect to hear from you?
So the panel will address the question whether we are ready for blockchain in healthcare now. And it's a panel of distinguished experts like Frank Ricotta from Boehringer, John Bess from Hashed Health, and Wendy Charles from University of Denver. And we will have a bit of a controversial discussion to discuss, is the environment ready yet? Truly for broad-scale adoption, because there is a number of moving parts, not only on the tech side when we talk about scalability, interoperability, but we also have to look at data standards, regulatory standards, questions around liability. But most importantly, if you ask me, do we have enough awareness and understanding of the value proposition of blockchain technology in healthcare? And this is what the panel discussion is about.
That's a really good question, and as you know, I advocate for it at the World Economic Forum, and we cover a lot of this stuff. I'm very familiar with Burst IQ, and I think the ultimate use case is how the end user adopts blockchain. From the enterprise level, it's a more secure, it's a transitionary move into a future technology. But is the real issue end user adoption?
I think it's both. It's end user adoption. We at Boehringer Ingelheim, as a family-owned pharmaceutical company, want to make sure that we improve patient outcome and patient empowerment. Mm-hmm. So, of course, at the end of the day, we would love to see that the end user adopts. But you work in a decentralized ecosystem anyway, using blockchain technology. So every stakeholder in the ecosystem has to adopt it. And at this point in time, I do not think we have gone beyond proof of concept and pilot cases.
There's certainly a lot of pilot cases that are out there right now. I think everybody's trying to get to that end goal. And maybe there needs to be some consolidation.
I personally do think that we need some certainty in terms of data standards, regulatory standards. I don't necessarily think we do need consolidation, because I want to see the entrepreneurs, the early adopters drive and shape the ecosystem. But at this point in time, I do think that we see too many moving parts to be ready for broad adoption.
Well, Uli, I'm looking forward to watching the panel. What can we expect for you on the panel?
I'm the one who was asked to take on the skeptical side of the discussion, even though I'm personally passionate about blockchain technology. Boehringer Ingelheim, as a family-owned business, thinks in generations, not just in quarterly results. So we are excited to invest into new technology to drive patient safety and empowerment. Yet at the same time, we want to have some security that our investment really turns out to be helpful for society. So we want to see whether regulatory agencies truly adopt blockchain technology, not only on a conceptual level, but also on an implementation level. We want to see how data standards evolve. Most importantly, we are committed to driving innovation to serve the needs of patients and the healthcare system.
Well, and you're certainly doing that very well. Congratulations. Uli, thanks for coming on the show. I'm looking forward to catching the panel. And for those of you out there, you can watch the full panel on the archives on ABC, NBC, Fox, and CBS. We'll be right back for our next guest. You're not going to want to miss this, though.
The 2019 Converge to Accelerate conference is brought to you by IEEE, the world's largest technical professional organization for the advancement of technology. Boehringer Ingelheim, passionately working to improve healthcare. NASCO, advancing digital health together. In healthcare today and telehealth and medicine today. Special consideration to iWorker Innovations, taking the independent workforce to new heights. Connected Health Conference, designing for healthy habits and better outcomes. Haven Health Solutions, providing true blockchain transactional interoperability. Special thanks to Seaport World Trade Center for hosting us. And a special thanks to 1-800 Public Relations for all your PR and media support. We'll be right back after these messages. Don't go away.